I don't ask for your name. It's already carved in it.
Oh.
I won't lie.
Olive.
I think the char ones is good for.
I'll try one. Okay. Some. We call it some.
Oh, do you know how to make some?
Yeah.
Tell me.
The lettuce. And put some fillings like radish or green onion salad. And then put your meat.
And my.
Okay.
You just uncomfortable.
Yeah, such
Oh my goodness, it's so loud. Because it's loud. You hear? Hear that?
It's like a boat.
That's nice, but both with a whale and a shark. And there is water in it.
Is it good?
Strong. Very good.
Very good. Will you? Oopsie. Banana uyu. Ching ching. Yay. 맛있어요?
Salad. What time is it?